Conclude the show today by ensuring that you have power solutions. Yeah, that seems to be the order of the day because there are a whole lot of issues and challenges as it relates to power supply in the country. Interestingly, we have a singular honor and privilege to be working with someone who has been in the business of providing power solutions in the country, specifically in Edo State, the CEO, Managing Director of Brightons International Electronics, Dr. Brightons Ogiwonyi. Dr. Brightons, many thanks for joining us on the program.
Thank you so much, Andrew.
Well, today we're actually doing a 5-day countdown to the ITV Radio Inter-Schools Quiz and Debate Competition taking place this Friday. I know you are expectant. Tell us more.
The thing is, by the grace of God, I want to see the best in the pupils and the best in the students that will be coming for the quiz competition. And I also want to say this, that those who may not be able to represent their school because everybody cannot be there to represent the school, they should take it as a challenge to work hard and be more studious and so that they can become better persons with good careers in life.
Okay. In recent time, you've been talking about the voltage stabilizer. This is the newest product under the platform of the Brightons International Electronics Company. Tell us more about this.
Yes, in Brightons Electronics, we've started designing what we call Brightons stabilizers. And we've also released the 2018 model of the Brightons inverters. And we have also released the 2018 model of the Brightons alternator boosters. But for the Brightons stabilizer, it's a stabilizer the world has not seen before. It's a stabilizer you have not seen. No matter how the stabilizer you are using in your house, you have not seen this type of stabilizer before. In the sense that the Brightons stabilizer is a stabilizer that you will connect it to your prepaid meter or to your public power. Do you understand? Then the current coming from your public power enters the stabilizer. That stabilizer has 2 double system transformers. So if you live in an area where you have low voltage, then by the time the current engages the first transformer, it will step it up. Then by the time the current engages the second transformer, it will step it up again. And by the time the voltage is entering your house, you have a normal voltage. Now, it's a stabilizer that you don't need to have your automatic voltage regulators anymore because this stabilizer has an inbuilt automatic voltage regulator. If you check your house, you will see that most houses in Nigeria, your flat screen telly, people always put one small thing they call automatic voltage regulator or AVRO. But if you have that Brightons stabilizer, the AVRO is useless because the Brightons stabilizer will come with an inbuilt automatic voltage regulator. And so it's a smart stabilizer that communicates with you. It's a digital LED displaying screen. Anything it is doing at a time, it will tell you. And again, the stabilizer is a stabilizer that supposing you have a 10 kVA and you want to pump your bulbs, your borehole ACs and the rest of them, you overload it above its kVA of design or 10 kVA. That stabilizer will beep over a period of time. If you refuse to remove the SX load, stabilizer will shut down. That is the Brightons stabilizer for you. And it's not a stabilizer that you pay today and get it today. No. You pay today, you give us 2 to 4 weeks to get it ready for you. Because for now, we don't have the money to mass produce the stabilizer. That is the reason why you pay. We give you a receipt. And then when you finish paying, you come and collect another receipt and return the previous one. And then you get your Brightons stabilizer. Then for the Brightons inverter, the 2018 model of the Brightons inverter is an inverter that, like the one on the screen, this is the analog type of Brightons inverter.
Is this still functional? Is this still relevant? Is this still useful? This, you call it the analog?
Of course, because these things are designed according to what people can afford.
Okay.
So we have the analog ones that we know that the materials for the production will not be as expensive as designing the one you are looking at on the screen now, which is the digital inverter. You get it now.
Yeah.
So the stabilizer, the analog inverter cannot write in words. It will only show you figures. You will see it when the number is increasing or decreasing. That's how you know it is charging or you are discharging the current. But for this one you are looking at, it's the one that is digital, and this one that has 5 buttons is the 2018 model of the Brightons inverter. This one you are looking at now that has the 5 buttons under the screen, that is the Brightons 2018 model of the Brightons inverter. And the uniqueness of this 2018 model from the other Brightons inverter is that apart from the fact that all Brightons inverter has thunderstorm resident facility, double system circuit breakers, double system cooling fans. Digital are LED displaying pure sine wave inverter. There are inverters that communicate with you. But the 2018 model has extra advantage in the sense that you can manipulate both the hardware and the software of the inverter. You can decide to determine your charging rate. If you want your batteries to be charged within 3 to 5 hours, maybe you live in a community where you have 3 hours on, 6 hours off from public power, or 6 hours on, 3 hours on from public power. With this Brighten's 2018 model, you will be able to charge your battery within 3 to 5 hours. You just increase the charging current. But in order for people not to abuse this facility, we passworded it. So that before you can start adjusting the inverter or manipulating it, you must call our customer care, because we need to know, because you don't need to now, so as to prevent a situation whereby somebody will go and increase charging current because he wants the battery to be charged in 30 minutes, which is impossible. And by so doing, you may end up damaging that very batteries. So that's why we passworded it. So that anytime you want to manipulate, you must let us know. And it's an inverter that behaves like a stabilizer, in the sense that you can decide to reduce the low current signal. That means if you want the inverter to charge your battery at 180 volts or 150 volts or 100 volts, even as low as 90 volts, that it will be like candle light. If you look at your incandescent bulb, it will be like candle light. So if you have that kind of inverter, you can reduce the low current signal so that you can charge your battery no matter how low the current may be or the voltage may be. Then why the high current signal can also be manipulated in such a way that the inverter, if you increase your high current signal to like 250, 260 or 270 volts, then it starts behaving like a stabilizer for you, so that when there's a fluctuating high current or low voltage, it doesn't damage the inverter, neither the electronics being powered by that inverter. And so I want to let you know that the 2018 model of the Brighten's alternator booster is a circuit that prolongs the shelf life of your generator, so that your gen does not get damaged on time. So that if you want to use your pressing iron for your gen, if you plug your pressing iron to your gen, it does this grrr, grrr adjusting sound. So if you have the Brighten's alternator booster, you will be plugging your heat element electrical materials, such as your pressing iron, your ring boiler, even your blender for tomatoes has coil. So it sends coil to coil feedback effect to the generator. And with time, the generator will get damaged. You need to now buy a half engine. So to prolong the life of your generator, you need the Brighten's alternator boosters.
All right, thank you very much. We've been talking with Dr. Brightens Ogunwoyin, the CEO, Managing Director of Brighten's International Electronics Company, right there at number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road of Ugbo. And then, of course, we have all the numbers in the screen a while ago. Have all the numbers in the screen. You saw those numbers, call those numbers, and then ask questions, and then you'll be properly guided so you can take advantage of the power solutions that Brighten's International Electronics Company is provided. Dr. Brightens, many thanks again for coming on the show. And by the way, Friday was your birthday. It was a massive celebration here in the studio at our staff welfare resort. He just got the whole place charged up with all the drinking and everything. So congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Our prayer is that within the next 1 year, you get higher and greater in everything that you're doing. Congratulations to you one more time.
Thank you so much.
Okay, that's our show today on TMI. Comrade Neversey would have loved to be here, but it will be here by 11 o'clock on Global Sports. We'll bring you all the nitty-gritty, all the happenings that took place in the world of sports last weekend. My name is Sonny Duke Okosun. Thanking you for staying with us, and to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, we say Happy Eid al-Fitr celebration. Bye for now.